Oh baby, bounce,
Hello beautiful people, it's your girl Cynthia Bami here again. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by, you're very welcome. I hope you stay, so please remember to hit that subscribe button and join the family. In today's video, I'm going to be doing I don't even know what video I'm doing. Is it a fall makeup tutorial? I think so. I'm going to be doing what I'm just going to call a fall makeup tutorial video, like a spring type of thing, you know what I mean? Yeah, I really hope you enjoy it. I hope you like it. Yeah, so I'll see you guys at the end.
So I'm starting with a freshly moisturized face. My brows have filled in. If you would like to see how I fill in my brows, I will be uploading a brow tutorial video. Other than that, I just prime my lids using my P. Louise base, and I'm going in with this orangey shade from my Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm just packing that on first before going in to blend the color in. After that is blended, I'm also taking my yellow shade from the same palette and just packing that on top of the orange color and just kind of blended it in to create this sun setting gradient effect. And then I'm taking the brown shade from the same palette and I'm just blending that at the outer portion of my lid. And I'm spraying this small brush and going in the corner of my eye with a gold shade. I just repeated that on the other eye and added my lashes. And then I'm blending my color corrector to correct my dark spots and my eye bags, and then going in with my foundation from MAC. Yeah, and after that is blended, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my face with my LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade Fun. Just want to make sure that you blend carefully and properly. And I'm just taking my brush and blending the harsh lines and making sure that everything kind of flows from the highlight to the contour. And then I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup powder and setting my concealer.
So many times that I miss you. I know how to call when I want to.
And I'm taking the small brush and contouring my nose, and I'm also going to be highlighting with a brush as well, and setting, of course, with the brush. And after I let the setting powder sit on my face for a bit, I went ahead with my Raw Techniques brush and dusted off the excess powder, and just taking this brush to kind of blend everything in. I know it still looks a bit yellow, but you know, we'll get there. And then I went in with my NYX setting spray. This was a really simple look, really. There's nothing extra that I did other than just highlight my face. And I went in with my brown lip liner and just lined my lips and added more lip gloss. And yeah, that was the look. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this really short and easy spring makeup tutorial video, and if you do, please be sure to let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video, my loves.
My lady, your body is a necessary.
Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Or hit it still. Leave this video a thumbs up. Also leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. If you haven't seen my previous videos, I will leave a link to them up on the screen. So click on them, check them out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Fine lady, your body is a necessary.